Okay. Hi, we've got some new birds here. We no longer have the parrots. We've got three types of finches. The colourful ones are the Gordians, and they've got some babies in the middle of the screen which are starting to develop a yellow belly. And we've got long bills, which are the ones with the black bibs, and the ones with spots on the side are diamond firetails. So it's probably going to get quite hot while we're away. We've got a mister system which basically creates a mist in the whole aviary area, or the front of it, the open area. It's on a timer, so don't turn this water off if you could while we're away. Hopefully that continues to work. Yeah, so if there's any problems, you'll know which birds to talk to. So let's get into the aviary. So we'll give the key. How to do that one-handed. Get in, and the layout here looks similar to what it did before. We've got bird seed there, and that's probably all you need to know. We've still got a bit of a mouse problem, but hopefully that won't be a problem while we're away. Because the finches are quite small and they're quite nimble, I've generally, when I come in, had to lock this door behind me. We're not feeding the birds or watering them through this, I guess, device here, because there's too many of them to feed in.